Khasi Department of the Northeastern Hills University, in collaboration with the Hindi Department, organized a one-day workshop on teaching and learning of Khasi language for non-Khasi speakers at the non-science cluster of the university. The objective behind this initiative is to encourage the use of the Khasi language among the faculties and students of the university. Besides students and faculties of the university, students and teachers of the Kendriya Vidyalaya School NEHU also attended the workshop. NEHU Vice Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla said that the national education policy emphasized the need to learn 3 languages: national, regional and international languages. Dr. Marbhador Khimdet, a faculty of the Khasi department, said that the objective of this program is to help the non-Khasi employees and students to learn and communicate the Khasi language.
If we are not having all 3 types of languages, I feel it creates a problem in the future. Not for the teachers who are already appointed in this university. In the future, my student will face the problem. That's why I'm just trying to discuss, to start a kind of Bhasha Sangam, language communication platform in the name. Really, I feel proud to be present here. The head of the department of Khasi language, because NEHU have the capacity. NEHU have already the Khasi department, Garo department, Hindi department, linguistic department. And in the country, only few universities having such kind of facilities. And now can take initiative in the leadership of Professor S. Dakar. Really, I am very happy. She is already started the work in this area. I hope in the future we will able to make a different kind of environment in the campus of NEHU. And students will also feel better to share their views in the local languages from one student to other student.
Workshop ila ya perkhat na kaliang jongka department Khasi buat kunju na kaliang jongka department Hindi ba migong ba kalade yangi ya kabangin penlongkung kini ke workshop ha kaban yo ban hikai ya kini ki no hikai dan ki khana puli ki research scholar di badan honi bakin nang ya ketian Khasi but kani kan sya kaladon hidu menchwa program perkhat ke jongi ban mi page ki ki jelang i ba ki bubun ki nang chwa ban kren ya ketu ketin tin rei kumbalong bendapat haga jela ke jongi bawan nang nur namar bangi ploy ban keren ya ke English bat ya ploy ban keren ya ke Hindi te kim persyang ban menang ya kan ban keren ya ke kecil te kawai ke basuk tanat kalong bahdin ba wandung di bahasan sador pen pa bahaya kan ya kawai ba wong ba balai kino hikai ni ke menang ban keren Khasi balai kim lasyong la kata senem kwa ru ban uru nang ya ke ban keren ya ke kecil te kan ni ke penlong yang mungkin hikai jong Khasi department bangin perkhat ba kan no ke ba bah la nang ilah ban penlong mungkin ki workshop kani ke workshop bangi pelong mentang kan dai kesin ke bandeng kong ya ke bangin hikai ban mentang indon tangki research scholar bat kunju ki samla puli jong ka Hindi department te hadin ngin sanang nang penlong susu seki waipat namar ba ke workshop tang sing inom ban island ke hikai Henry nang ngilah ban penlong da waipat ki workshop ki ba sausi san singi bat hak bangin yo ru ya kino isim benda na kino hikai la ni kino tre jong ka NEHU katakan kam doi shushu na ka benda jong ka department.
Yes, as we know that language can be learned in 1 or 2 days. So if this kind of workshop can be continued for many days, then we will learn better, then we will teach the students better. My main expectation is that first of all I will just learn basic communication skills, how to communicate with the local Khasi students,